What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Fine Apple by Nick D. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll steal your girl cause she looking like a fine apple. Sheesh! Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's got one little chord progression that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Chords you need to know for this song is this version of a C. All of these chords, you're only going to be using the A string with your index finger and the B string with your pinky finger. This first one is going to be 3rd fret on the A string, 5th fret on the B string. And what I'm doing is I'm muting the 2 middle strings when I play this, so all you're hearing is the A and the B string. So like my finger here is kind of laying on top of the D and the G to mute them. Slide that down 2 frets to a D. It's 5, 7. Slide that down 2 frets on your index finger, 1 fret for your pinky, 7 and 8. This is an E minor. Finally, slide that all the way down to 10 and 12. This is a G. Once you get your chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It looks like down, up, mute, up, mute, up, down. Down, up, 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 down, down, up, down. Again, I'm muting in between. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. And the same exact thing for these last 3 chords. Down, up, down. It's your D, E, or G, D, sorry, G, E minor, D. Same strumming pattern. Down, up, down. 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 There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram and all my other socials is @BillySchultzMusic. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.